Acmefil Engineering Systems Pvt is India's leading manufacturer of drying and concentrating equipments like spray dryer, spin flash dryer, multiple effect evaporator, vibratory fluid bed dryer, fluid bed dryer, membrane technology, spray cooling system, etc. Zero liquid discharge system, conventional effluent treatment technologies of primary treatment for removal of oil and grease, pH correction, separation of physical impurities, secondary treatment to handle organic impurities, and even some tertiary treatment like membrane technology is unable to produce result for the stringent norms of discharge. The basic problem and challenge lie in handling of the organics, which do not degrade in secondary treatment. There are two options left to handle it. 1. Multiple effect evaporators. 2. High temperature spray evaporator. The multiple effect evaporators are only successful if the organic matter does not evaporate out, and thereby the COD level of condensate from the system is within the limits of pollution control norms. Acmefil Engineering Systems Pvt introduces high temperature spray evaporator for handling effluent containing organic and inorganic salts. The effluent stream is introduced to hot air at high temperature, where thermal degradation of the organics takes place and are either reduced into their basic constituents and are vented out along with the air, or dried out and get collected as solids. The inorganics are dried and collected as free-flowing solids, and the water evaporated. This is a one-step process, and the most important aspect is that it can be operated using the cheap solid fuel also. Process of high temperature spray dryer. The effluent or industrial wastewater is pumped by a feed pump to the centrifugal disc Rotary Atomizer system to the drying chamber, and with the help of high temperature hot air generated from the solid fuel fired hot air generator is evaporated and dried, and the dried product is collected from the bottom of drying chamber. The fines are collected in gravity settler, high efficiency multi-cyclone separators, and further from the pulse air jet bag filter. The fines then carried forward is scrubbed in a Venturi water scrubber system, followed by a rinsing scrubber system in which pH correction is being done. Finally, the clean dust and organic free air will be exhausted to the atmosphere via chimney. A PLC plus SCADA plus PC based control with adequate instrumentation are provided for smooth operation of the system. The system is very simple to operate and less intensive from maintenance cost, and all the manpower requirement is also minimal. It is environment friendly and the last answer to a burning effluent treatment problems. We, Acmefil Engineering Systems Pvt, assure the effective treatment of effluents with affordable operating cost, moderate capital cost. Thereby, the industry of the country can be survived. We feel proud to have pushed the horizons to improve the economical growth by our innovations. Acme, as the meaning is, the highest point of perfection, and Acmefil today strives to fill in the gap between the present and Acme. Acmefil Engineering Systems Pvt. Limited. Engineers and process designers.